In this class, let us discuss enumerations. So, this is the topic which we are going to discuss here. Enumerations. Enumerations was added to Java language in JDK 5. So, our earlier version was not having enumerations. Enumeration means a list of named constant. In Java, enumeration defines a class type. An enumeration can have constructors, methods, and instance variables. It is created using enum keyword. Each enumeration constant is public, static, and final by default. Even though enumeration defines a class type and have constructors, you do not instantiate an enum using new. Enumeration variables are used and declared in much the same way as you do a primitive variable. How to define and use an enumeration? An enumeration can be defined simply by creating a list of enum variable. Let us take an example for list of subject variable with different subjects in the list. Enum subject Java CPP C DBMS. Identifiers Java, CPP, C, and DBMS are called enumeration constants. These are public, static, and final by default. Variables of enumeration can be defined directly without any new keyword. So, example of enumeration. Let's create an example to define an enumeration and access its constant by using enum reference variable. So enum weekdays, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Class demo, public static void, main string arguments, weekdays, WK. WK is an enumeration variable of type weekdays. So weekdays is enumeration and WK is an enumeration variable of type weekdays. WK equal to weekdays dot Sunday. So WK can be assigned only the constants defined under enum type weekdays. So system.out.println today is plus VK. So the output of the above program is when it is executed, you will get today is Sunday. Example of enumeration using switch statement. Enumeration can be used in switch case to create decision making application. Here we have created an enum of restaurants that can be used to pick user choice restaurant. Enum restaurants, Domino's, KFC, Pizza Hut, Bananas, Burger King. Class test, public static void main, string arguments. Restaurants are equal to restaurant dot bananas. So switch are the name of the enumeration constants are used without their enumeration. Type name, that is only R, not restaurants are. Case Domino's, only constants defined under enum restaurants can be used. System.out.println I am R dot Domino's. Break case KFC system.out.println I am plus R dot KFC. Break case Pizza Hut system.out.println I am R dot Pizza Hut. Break case Paninos system.out.println I am plus R dot Paninos. Break case Burger King system.out.println I am plus R dot Burger King. Break. So when the above program is executed, I am Paninos, you will get output as I am Paninos. So though you have a switch statement, the output what you get is because you have assigned R as R equal to restaurants dot Paninos. this switch within the brackets you have R that is assigned with Paninos, and that is matched with the case statement which is having Paninos. So you will get its corresponding output system.out.println. Its output is I am Paninos. So that is the output you get. So enumeration in if else. Enumeration can be used in if statement to compare a value with some predefined constant. Here we are using an enumeration with if else statement. Enum weekdays Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Class demo public static void main string arguments. Weekdays weekdays equal to weekdays dot Wednesday. If weekdays equal to weekdays dot Sunday or weekdays equal to weekdays dot Saturday, system dot out dot println it is weekend. Else system dot out dot println it is weekdays. So when the above program is executed, since weekdays is assigned with Wednesday, you will get else statement. It is weekday with where weekday name is Wednesday. Traversing enumeration elements. We can iterate enumeration elements by calling it static method values. This method returns an array of all the enum constant that further can be iterated using for loop. See the below example: enum weekdays Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Class demo public static void main string arguments. Weekdays is an array. Weekdays equal to weekdays dot values. For weekdays, weekday colon weekdays system dot out dot println weekday. So when the above program is executed, all the elements present in the uh, enum weekdays will be printed as Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Values and value of method. All the enumerations predefined methods, values and value of values method returns an array of enum type containing all the enumeration constants in it. Its general form is public static enum type values. Value of method is used to return the enumeration constant whose value is equal to the string passed in as argument while calling this method. Its general form is public static enum type value of string str. Example of enumeration using values and value of methods. Value and value of methods are static methods of enum type and can be used to access enum elements. Here we are using both the methods to access the enum elements. Enum restaurants: Domino's, KFC, Pizza Hut, Panino's, Burger King. Class demo public static void main string arguments. Restaurants are system.out.println. All constants of enum type restaurants are array equal to restaurants dot values returns an array of constant of type restaurants. For restaurants A colon R array using for each loop system.out.println A R equal to restaurants dot value of Domino's system.out.println it is plus R. So when the above program is executed, all constants of enum type restaurants are, so this is the statement that will be printed. Then Domino's, KFC, Pizza Hut, Panino's, Burger King. And it is Domino's. That is the output you get. So points to remember about enumerations. Enumerations are of class type and have all the capabilities that a Java class has. Enumeration can have constructors, instance variables, methods, and can even implement interfaces. Enumerations are not instantiated using new keyword. All enumerations by default inherit java.lang.enum class. Enumeration with constructor, instance variable, and method. Enumeration is similar to class except it can be instantiated. It can have methods, constructors, variables, etc. Here in this example, we are creating constructor and method in the enum and accessing its constants value using these. Enum student John 11, Bella 10, Sam 13, Viros 9. Private integer is variable defined in enum student. Integer get age return is method defined in enum student. Private student integer is constructor defined in enum student. So this dot age equal to age. Class demo public static void main string arguments student s system.out.println age of Veerraju is student.veerraj.getAge plus years. So the output of the above program is when it is executed, age of Veerraj is 9 years. So in this example, as soon as we declare an enum variables student s, the constructor is called once and it initializes age for every enumeration constant with values specified with them in the parentheses.